Entering Advanced Venom Research Facility.
Here is the Anaconda under safe monitoring.
Checking snake's health before procedure.
Following strict safety protocols.
Creating a stress-free environment for the Anaconda.
Professionally securing the snake.
Transferring Anaconda to extraction room.
Preparing sterile venom extraction tools.
Safely positioning Anaconda for venom collection.
Handling without sedation for safety.
Sealing the extraction chamber.
Ready to receive controlled venom droplets.
Experts are ready for controlled extraction.
Supporting the Anaconda safely.
Adjusting position for precise extraction. Beginning safe venom extraction.
Collecting controlled microdrops. Purity sensors active.
Measuring venom quantity accurately.
Sealing the venom vial securely.
Labeling each venom sample.
Returning Anaconda safely.
Ensuring post-extraction comfort.
Sanitizing extraction room. Transporting venom to testing lab.
Entering high-tech testing lab. Scanning venom molecular structure. Detecting impurities. Ensuring venom meets safety standards.
Mapping chemical completes. Separating useful compounds. Collecting purified biocompound.
Stabilizing venom extract.
Filtering microscopic impurities.
Cooling extract to preserve quality.
Blending exact medical ratios.
Adding natural stabilizers.
Testing final formula for potency. Formula successfully approved.
Preparing serum base.
Infusing venom extract into base.
Mixing for uniform texture.
Maintaining perfect temperature.
Checking serum thickness.
Entering sterile filling room. Filling bottles with precision. Sealing every bottle tightly. UV sterilizing each bottle.
Applying product labels. Quality check complete.
Adding protective foam.
Forming product boxes. Boxing each product carefully.
Sealing boxes securely.
Stacking products for shipment.
Scanning product codes.
Storing products at safe temperature.
Loading delivery truck.
Life-saving venom products ready for the world.